Welcome to Homes on Homes. Today we're making homes safer, one grab bar at a time. Hi everyone, Mike Holmes here. Today we're installing safety grab bars. We love making homes safer, and grab bars are a simple way to do that. You might be thinking, grab bars, aren't those just for hospitals or nursing homes? Nope, not at all. Grab bars are for everyone. They help us feel steady and supported, especially in slippery places like bathrooms. Whether you're older, recovering from an injury, or just want a safer home, this video is for you. We'll show you how to choose the right grab bar and install it correctly. So, grab your tools, and let's make your home safer. Let's talk about why grab bars are so important. It's all about safety and independence, especially for older adults and people who have trouble moving around. As we get older, it's normal to feel a bit wobbly and not as strong, which can lead to falls. And falls can be really serious. Grab bars give us that extra support to move around our homes safely. They can help prevent falls in the bathroom, getting in and out of the shower, or even just walking down the hallway. And that's not all. Grab bars also help us stay independent. They let people do everyday things like taking a bath and getting dressed without needing help. That feeling of independence is really important for feeling good about ourselves. Now let's think about the bathroom, a place where falls happen a lot. Think about it. Wet floors, slippery surfaces, and awkward positions make it risky, especially for older adults or those with mobility challenges. That's where grab bars become your best friend. Imagine this, you're stepping out of the shower and your foot slips. Without a grab bar, you'd fall down right away. But with a grab bar in the right spot, you have something strong to hold on to, preventing a dangerous fall. And it's not just about the shower. Grab bars near the toilet can help with sitting down and standing up, and bars by the sink help you lean over safely. Now that you know why grab bars are important, let's talk about choosing the right ones. There are different types, each made for specific needs and places. First, you've got straight grab bars. These are the most common, perfect for support along a straight wall, like beside the toilet or in the shower. Then there are angled grab bars, ideal for spots where you need help getting up, like getting in and out of the bathtub. And don't forget about U-shaped grab bars, which give you multiple places to grip, and are great for areas where you need support from different angles. When choosing a grab bar, think about the location, who will be using it, and how much weight it needs to hold. Make sure it's long enough to provide enough support and installed securely on wall studs. Section 5. Gathering your tools and materials. A checklist for success. This section is crucial for ensuring that you have everything you need before you start your project. Preparation is key to a smooth and successful installation. Before we start installing, let's gather our tools and materials. Having everything ready and within reach will save you time and prevent unnecessary interruptions. It also helps you stay organized and focused on the task at hand. Having everything ready makes the job smoother. When your tools are organized and easily accessible, you can work more efficiently and effectively. This also reduces the risk of losing or misplacing items during the installation process. Here's a checklist to get you started. A well-prepared checklist ensures that you don't forget any essential tools or materials. It acts as a guide to keep you on track and helps you manage your time better. Grab bar. Choose the right type and size. The grab bar should be suitable for the specific needs of the user and the location where it will be installed. Consider factors like weight capacity, length, and material. Measuring tape. We need to measure accurately for proper installation. Accurate measurements ensure that the grab bar is positioned correctly and securely. Double-check your measurements to avoid any mistakes. Pencil, for marking where we'll drill. Marking the spots clearly helps in precise drilling and reduces the chances of errors. Use a pencil that is easy to see and can be erased if needed. Stud finder, very important for finding wall studs for secure mounting. Finding the studs ensures that the grab bar is anchored securely, providing maximum support and safety. Drill with the right drill bits for your wall. The type of drill bit you use depends on the material of your wall. Make sure you have the appropriate bits for wood, drywall, or tile. Screwdriver. Make sure it fits the screws that come with your grab bar. A properly fitting screwdriver ensures that the screws are tightened securely, preventing the grab bar from becoming loose over time. Level, to make sure your grab bar is installed straight. A level helps you ensure that the grab bar is perfectly horizontal or vertical, which is crucial for both functionality and aesthetics. Screws. Use the screws that come with your grab bar or choose ones that are right for your wall. The right screws are essential for a secure installation. If the provided screws are not suitable, select ones that match the wall material and the grab bar's requirements. Safety glasses. Protect your eyes from debris while drilling. Safety glasses are a must to prevent any particles from causing injury to your eyes. Always prioritize safety when working with power tools. Remember, safety first. Always wear safety glasses when using power tools. Safety should never be compromised. Wearing safety glasses is a simple yet effective way to protect yourself from potential hazards. Section 6. Installing your grab bar, a step-by-step guide. In this section, we will walk you through the entire process of installing a grab bar in your bathroom. Whether you're doing this for added safety or simply to assist someone with mobility issues, this guide will make the task straightforward and manageable. Okay, let's install that grab bar. First, gather all the necessary tools and materials. You'll need a grab bar, a stud finder, a level, a measuring tape, a pencil, a drill with the appropriate bits and screws. Having everything ready will make the process smoother. Don't worry, it's easier than you might think. With a little patience and attention to detail, you'll have your grab bar installed in no time. Just follow these simple steps, and you'll be done before you know it. Step 1. Locate the studs. This is a crucial step because the studs are the strongest points in the wall and will provide the necessary support for the grab bar. Use your stud finder to find the wall studs where you want to install the grab bar. Move the stud finder slowly along the wall until it indicates the presence of a stud. Studs are the strongest points in the wall. Mark the locations of the studs with a pencil so you know where to drill. Step 2. Measure and mark. This step ensures that your grab bar is positioned correctly and securely. Hold the grab bar against the wall where you want it. Make sure it's at a comfortable height and position for the user. Use a level to make sure it's straight. This is important for both functionality and aesthetics. Then mark the screw holes with a pencil. Double-check your marks to ensure they align with the studs. Step 3. Drill pilot holes. This step prepares the wall for the screws and helps prevent cracking. Using the right drill bit for your wall, drill small holes at the marked locations. The size of the drill bit should match the screws you'll be using. Drill small holes at the marked locations. Be sure to drill straight and not at an angle. These holes will guide your screws and prevent the wall from cracking. Take your time to ensure accuracy. Step 4. Install the grab bar. Now that your pilot holes are ready, it's time to attach the grab bar. Line up the grab bar with the pilot holes. Make sure the holes on the grab bar align perfectly with the pilot holes in the wall. Insert the screws into the holes. Start by hand tightening them to ensure they go in straight. Use a screwdriver to tighten the screws until the grab bar is firmly attached to the wall. Make sure not to over-tighten as this could damage the wall or the grab bar. Step 5. Test the installation. This final step ensures that your grab bar is securely installed and ready for use. Give the grab bar a good tug to make sure it's securely attached to the wall. It should not move or feel loose. It shouldn't move or feel loose. If it does, you may need to tighten the screws further or recheck your installation steps. And there you have it. You've successfully installed your grab bar. Your grab bar is installed and ready to provide support and peace of mind. Enjoy the added safety and convenience it brings to your bathroom. Section 7. Troubleshooting tips. Overcoming common installation challenges. In this section, we will address some of the most common issues you might face during the installation process and provide practical solutions to overcome them. Now, let's talk about some common installation problems and how to fix them. These tips will help ensure your project goes smoothly and safely. Problem: what if I can't find a stud where I need to install the grab bar? This is a frequent issue, especially in older homes where studs may not be evenly spaced or where walls have been modified over time. Solution: no problem. You can use special heavy-duty drywall anchors made to hold heavy things. These anchors are designed to distribute the weight evenly and provide a secure hold even without a stud. Just make sure you choose anchors that can hold the weight of the grab bar. Check the packaging for weight ratings and choose accordingly. It's always better to go for a higher weight rating to ensure safety. Problem: my drill bit keeps slipping on the tile. This can be frustrating and can also lead to damaging the tile surface. Solution: try putting a piece of masking tape over the spot where you're drilling. The tape provides extra grip and helps to keep the drill bit steady. This will help keep the drill bit from slipping. Additionally, start drilling at a low speed to create a small indentation before increasing the speed. Problem: I over-tightened the screws and stripped the holes. This is a common mistake that can weaken the installation. Solution? Take out the screws and fill the stripped holes with wood filler. Wood filler will provide a solid base once it hardens. Let it dry completely, then drill new pilot holes and reinstall the grab bar. Make sure to use the correct size drill bit for the pilot holes to avoid stripping them again. Remember, if you have any problems or aren't sure about something, it's always best to ask a qualified professional for help. They can provide expert advice and ensure that your installation is safe and secure. Don't hesitate to reach out for assistance to avoid potential hazards. Section 8. Grab bars. A small change, a big difference. As you can see, installing grab bars is a pretty easy job that can make a huge difference in your home. It's a small change that makes a big difference in terms of safety, independence, and peace of mind. Think of it this way: a grab bar isn't just a piece of metal, it's a helping hand, a safety net, and a symbol of independence. It lets everyone, no matter their age or physical ability, move around their homes with confidence and ease. So, whether you're installing grab bars for yourself, a loved one, or just want a safer home for everyone, remember that you're making a smart choice for well-being and peace of mind. Section 9. Subscribe for more home improvement tips. Thanks for joining me today on Homes on Homes. Remember, safety is no accident, and installing grab bars is a simple yet effective way to make your home a safer place for everyone. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel for more home improvement tips and tricks. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Until next time, stay safe, and keep those homes healthy.